everyone, welcome back. My name is Avril, and if you're new to my channel, I upload a video every Friday, so please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Hi guys, thank you for joining. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you an IKEA hack. So stick around to see how I transformed an old IKEA table lamp which I got in hand into a high-end looking table lamp. Want to know how it's done? Stay tuned. I started off this project by insulating the electric wire which is attached to the table lamp. I chose to do this process to protect the electric wire from any elements I'll be using. Once I have done insulating the electric wire, the next step is to use the painter's tape and secure the remaining wire to the table lamp. When doing this process, make sure to center the electric wire to the lamp base. Once you're done attaching the electric wire to the base, it should look something like this. The next step is to prep the tub for the concrete base. Here I'm using petroleum jelly and I applied it all over the bottom of my tub. Afterwards, using some painter's tape, I placed it onto the side of the tub to help me as a guide. This method gives you a rough guide when to stop pouring the concrete. Now the tub is prepped and ready for its concrete base. Always remember to put your gloves on when handling concrete. Here you see me mix in roughly around 9 cups of cement mix, gradually adding water till I got my desired consistency. When mixing the concrete, I prefer to use my hand so I could judge how smooth and runny the consistency is. Now the mix is ready to be poured into the tub. Here you see me wiggling the tub, trying to get the air bubbles out. There were a few stubborn air bubbles, so I had to use a toothpick to pop them out. Now the concrete base is ready for its next step. Now it's time to center the IKEA heart table lamp to the concrete base. Once the lamp is placed in the concrete, give the tub a little bit of a wiggle till you get a smooth concrete base. Now it's all prepped and ready to be set for 24 hours. It's been 24 hours and let's see how it turned out. I started off by peeling the painter's tape off which I had placed as a guide and then pulled the base out of the tub. This was quite heavy, which I didn't expect it to be. The next step is to give this base a clean up. Here I'm using an old rag to wipe off all the excess petroleum jelly. Afterwards, I used an 80 grit sandpaper and gave this base a slight sanding. At this stage, if you wish to paint this base, you could do so after sanding. I preferred the more natural concrete look. Now it's time to clean it up and give this gorgeous table lamp a home. I love how it turned out and how it complements my desk. Please do leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. Okay guys, hope you got inspired and enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to support my channel. Until next time, happy crafting!